We heal with zeal.
Together, we navigate
New frontiers.
Hello friends, on behalf of IIP Navi Mumbai, I Dr. Jitendra Gawane welcome you all. Doctor, I have a second kid at home who is not well. Should I give him the same medications which you wrote for Sushil?
Yeah, again, as I said before, fever is a common complaint with which most of the bacterial and viral infections would manifest. So, the doctor has prescribed antibiotic after making a diagnosis of a possible bacterial infection in Sushil. However, the SIB may be having fever because of some other reason, say viral infection. In that case, it would not be correct to use the same antibiotic on the SIB. So, what would be ideal is to consult the doctor, let him make a diagnosis on the SIB, and then only if he prescribes an antibiotic, you give antibiotic to the SIB. Don't use medicines prescribed for one individual for using on the other based on common symptoms that both these SIBs display. So one could be having bacterial infection for which antibiotic is justified, which is given by the doctor, and the other may not be having bacterial infection. So please do not use antibiotics unless they are prescribed by your doctor after examination and making a diagnosis, and after the doctor finds the necessity of prescribing one.
Doctor, we went to general practitioner yesterday for fever in my child who gave some antibiotics, and my pediatrician colleague in Delhi, my classmate, advised one more. What should I do?
Rather than thinking about changing antibiotics every time, it is more important to understand what could be the probable cause of the infection in your child. It could be a non-infectious cause also. So it is better to take a proper advice and go according to the doctor's suggestion rather than chasing one antibiotic after another.
Doctor, Raunak missed 2 doses of antibiotics on Saturday night and Monday morning. What should I do now?
Antibiotics are something which have to be prescribed responsibly, and similarly they have to be used very, very responsibly by the patient. So every time a doctor prescribes you antibiotic, he would prescribe the dose, the number of tablets or number of teaspoons that are to be consumed, the number of times in a day that needs to be consumed, and the duration for which the antibiotic has to be consumed. So as far as possible, please adhere to the instructions given by your doctor. However, in case you happen to miss a dose or two, you did not restart the course all over. Just complete the remaining course of antibiotic. Never ever stop antibiotic treatment halfway through, because your doctor would prescribe you antibiotic after carefully making a diagnosis of a bacterial infection which would warrant antibiotic treatment, and that has to be given as prescribed by the doctor.
Doctor, madam, we forgot to keep the prepared medicine in fridge. Its color is now brown. What should I do?
Please remember that some antibiotics need refrigeration because direct exposure to sunlight or heat can alter its taste as well as its power. So it becomes less effective. Therefore, in such a situation, when the color has already changed, it is better that you purchase a new bottle and give the antibiotic. Also, remember that after you have completed the duration of the antibiotic, discard the rest of the antibiotic.